Hi, I'm Holly and I love to shop and travel, and today we are talking about Virgin Atlantic Premium Economy. Is it worth the upgrade? In Premium Economy, you get 2 check-in bags for 23 kilograms each and 1 cabin bag for 10 kilograms. In Economy, you would just get the 1 check-in bag and the cabin bag. So essentially in Premium, you just get an additional check-in bag. If you were to go in upper class, you would also get 2 check-in bags. However, you get 32 kilograms per bag instead of 23. Premium Economy gets their own check-in line, which is wonderful. So there is hardly any wait time. And also with your bags, you get priority. So it would be the first off the plane at your destination. Again, a wonderful, it's so good because you just get out of immigration and voila, your bag is already there. You will also get priority boarding. I think it's group 2 or 3. I think it depends on where you're sitting in Premium. So obviously you're just behind upper class, but before Economy. Now let's talk about the seats. So you do get a wider seat with extra legroom in Premium, and you also get a widescreen TV. And when I say widescreen, I mean wider than Economy. One of the best things that I found about Premium is the food. Everything is served in porcelain and you get proper cutlery as opposed to plastic, which, I don't know, it just makes your food taste better. Also, the food was pretty good, I do have to say. However, because I was right at the back of Premium Economy, they ran out of meat options. I mean, meat is pretty standard from what I know. And they ran out, and what I didn't realize is that you can actually pre-book your meal before you fly. I just assumed because I generally just go with the standard option, I'm not that bougie. I assumed they would have that, and they ran out. So I've learnt my lesson, you can actually pre-book your meal in Premium. You don't have to, but you know, it may run out. If you do get hungry on your flight, there is what they call a Wonder Wall. It's like a food hamper that has like crisps, chocolate bars, snacks essentially. So if you do get hungry during the flight, you just help yourself to it, which is pretty good. There's some pretty good snacks in there. But the food itself, honestly, I was just full the whole time. I think I got 2 meals, so I had dinner and then I had an afternoon tea, but I wasn't even hungry for my afternoon tea. So yeah, there was a lot of food considering it was like an 11-hour flight. As soon as you board and get settled in, you do get offered a drink. You can choose between Prosecco or orange juice. I mean, I opted for orange juice and it was in fact in a glass. However, you do have to finish it before you start flying because it's glass and they don't allow you to have it when you take off. So you do have to pretty much down your drink. Although, you know, you do have it when people in Economy are sitting in their seat. So you do have time, but I'm just really worried about needing the toilet. So I wait until the last moment to, you know, chug it down. One of the things you do get in Premium Economy with Virgin Atlantic is an Amenity Kit. However, I only got this on the way back because it was an evening flight. However, I did ask for some earplugs on the way because there was a screaming child behind me and they did have it, but I didn't actually get a bag. So in the bag, there is an eye mask, toothbrush, a really mini toothpaste, earplugs, and a pen. And that's it. And yeah, and this is the bag that it comes in that I believe is recyclable. Yeah, made of responsibly sourced recyclable craft paper and filled with sustainable treats. Okay, so what wasn't great about the flight? So I have to talk about the toilets. I always assume that Premium Economy, although they have their own toilets just for Premium, they weren't any bigger than Economy. And I don't know why I assumed they would be, but a toilet is a toilet, but there wasn't a lot of room. Also in the toilets, the sinks were different in every toilet, which I thought was very bizarre. Like one was automatic, one wasn't. One had hand cream and one didn't. So I'm not sure what that was about, but you know, it is what it is. Although the chairs itself were roomier by all means, the person in front of me had inclined all the way. Look, I didn't mind, I'm small, it's cool. However, if I did need the toilet, it was such a squeeze because if the incline of the chair was here and there was an armrest that you can't move, the gap was about like, it wasn't big enough for me to squeeze in. And then I just kept bumping into the chair and this lady's like looking at me, I'm like, I can't get out of my chair. when you are fully inclined, and that was the worst part. But other than that, like, it was fine. There was enough space. I didn't feel claustrophobic in any way, but it's more of an annoying thing, and I would say if you are plus size, this may be an issue for you. So the headphones that you get on the flight are terrible. Absolutely terrible. They're not noise cancelling. They're just a bit naff. Pretty much the same as economy, if I'm perfectly honest. I just use my own headphones with the wire. You can also get some that are Bluetooth, so you can get, I think it's called an AirFly, and then you can use it wirelessly. I would probably invest in that if you are flying long haul, because yeah, those headphones were not good. Another thing that you do get on the flight as standard is a pillow and blanket. Pretty much the same as economy, apart from different colours. So economy is red and premium economy was purple, and I think that was the only difference. Now let's come to what it cost to upgrade to premium economy. So the flights that I personally did, the cash price was £4,523 for a return journey from London Heathrow to San Francisco. And yes, before anyone says anything, that is a hell of a lot of money for premium economy. However, I do collect Virgin points, and I had a companion voucher with my credit card, which allowed me to take someone with me for free on my points. Bear in mind, this is not completely free. The other person still has to pay the fees and taxes associated with the seat, but they don't have to pay any Virgin points towards their seat. So I used 55,000 points, and I paid £538 per person for the return journey from London Heathrow to San Francisco. For full transparency on how I've gained these points, so I have the Virgin Atlantic Credit Card Plus, which is the paid one. It costs £160 a year, and you get 1.5 Virgin points per every pound spent. And when you hit 10K, when you spend 10K in the year, you get a free companion voucher. So if we work out the Virgin points and how much they're worth, I didn't get an overly great deal, but I needed to go for work and I could bring my mum with me to see relatives. So in that aspect, I thought it was okay, but I'll leave you to be the judge of that. So let me know, what do you think? Would you upgrade to Virgin Atlantic Premium Economy? Let me know. And I shall catch you guys next time. Bye!